Hi everyone and warm welcome to the session on interpersonal skills. My name is Gaurank and I'm going to be the facilitator for this particular session. So what are interpersonal skills? Take a pause and ask yourself this question. Can you think of a profession which does not involve interacting with people? I'm sure you cannot think of any of such. So whichever profession you are in, whatever you do, human interaction is something that is absolutely needed for us to do. So, when we have to interact with people, it is important for us to maintain good relationships with them. Only then we can succeed in our life. Let's look at the next slide and understand this better. This particular slide talks about successful people don't reach their goals alone. You're not successful until you help others succeed. Take a pause and look around. All the successful people that you know in your family or in your neighborhood. Walk up to them and ask them, have they reached at their destination or their goal alone? You will figure out there have always been people who are involved for their success. So, what are you waiting for? Take a pause and ask someone who has been successful or who is successful according to you. Have you watched a movie recently? Who are your favorite characters of that movie? Do you think are those characters responsible for the movie's success? If your answer is yes, then you're wrong. There are multiple people who are responsible for that movie's success. What we see is only the people who are directly responsible. For example, you like the hero of the movie. So according to you, the hero, the villain, the heroine, the lead characters and the side characters are responsible for the movie's success? If your answer is yes, then you're wrong. There are more people involved. Can you take a pause and name a few of them? Yes, you're right. The directors, the makeup artists, the costume designers, the producers, the set designers, all of those people are responsible for the movie's success. So, why is it that we only see the people who are directly responsible? Because they are visible to us. We can't see those people who are playing an important role in our background. It's important that we understand and recognize them because they are an important part of a new concept called value chain. Let's understand what value chain is. Just as we were able to identify the people who are directly responsible for the movie's success because they were in front of the camera and they were visible to us, but we were not able to identify the people who are in the background. They are all important part of your value chain. The meaning of value chain basically means the people who are directly and indirectly responsible for your success in life. When it comes to directly responsible, we can name a few people like our parents, our teachers, our guardians, whoever who are directly responsible. We can also say our grandparents, our gurus. But how about the people who are indirectly responsible? The Wi-Fi service provider who is helping you connect to this video is also an important part of your value chain. The maid who is getting you food or your family who is getting you food every day and serving it to you is an important part of your value chain. If they wouldn't do it, then you had to do it by yourself. So when I say value chain, it basically means you go two relationships on the right and identify those people who are directly responsible, and you go two relationships towards the left and identify those people who are indirectly responsible. Not necessary that you have to go only two relationships. You can go as many as you want as long as they are adding value to your life. So let's take a pause on this video. Let's identify them because those are the people who are responsible for our success in life. So now that we know who are the people who are directly and indirectly responsible, let me ask this question to you. Who is packing your parachute? Let's watch a video to understand this better. This video is about Charles Plum, who is a US Navy jet pilot. Let's understand what happens in the video. So, I hope you liked the video. I felt this story would be good to share with all the people because this story presents to your people how important they are, and their position is a part of our system that makes everything come together. So, who is packing your parachute? Post it in the comment section, and also don't forget to appreciate them because those are the people who add value to your life, and those are the people who are responsible for the overall success of you anywhere in the world. Thank you everyone. Keep learning, keep growing.